Hello friends! Today I will discuss with you a country which is a dream place for many, and a paradise according to others. Let's start the video without delay. The name of the country I will talk about today is Switzerland. The country is one of the most desirable destinations for travelers across the globe. But not only for traveling, this small country of Europe has got the status of excellence as a country in all respects. Though small in size, the country is self-sufficient in natural beauty. Switzerland is one of the most mountainous countries in Europe. 70% of its area is surrounded by the Alps. Monte Rosa is the highest mountain in Switzerland. Tourists are attracted to Switzerland for its nature and natural landscapes. Besides, many tourists come here for skiing and hiking. Being one of the financial centers of the world, many travelers also come here for business. Switzerland has 11 UNESCO heritage sites, including the Old Town of Bern, the Monastery of St. Gall, and the Monte San Giorgio. Switzerland's neighboring countries are Germany, Austria, Italy, and France. Its capital city is Bern. Geneva is one of the other major cities. Switzerland is not a member of the European Union. The currency of Switzerland is Swiss franc. Switzerland has a long history of neutrality, no wars since 1815, and is home to many international organizations, including the Red Cross and the World Trade Organization. Switzerland became a member of the United Nations in 1920 and joined the Council of Europe in 1963. Tourists are attracted to Switzerland for its nature and scenic landscapes. Besides, many tourists come here for skiing and hiking. In addition, Switzerland and the neighboring countries of Switzerland are the places of shopping trips due to tax differences. Subscribe to our channel. I will appear with more interesting videos like this in the next video. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end.